The new transparency and coverage rules began taking effect July 1st, 2022. These rules were actually finalized back in October of 2020. They require insurance companies and employer health plans to post in-network and out-of-network rates that they negotiate with providers. And they require online price transparency tools on cost-sharing information. The rules apply to group health plans and health insurance issuers in both the individual and the group markets. The plans must disclose cost-sharing information upon request to a participant, beneficiary, or enrollee. And this includes an estimate of the individual's cost-sharing liability for covered items or services furnished by a particular provider. But the whole rule doesn't go into effect all at once. As of July 1st, 2022, group health plans and health insurance issuers must post machine-readable files containing the following: rates for all covered items and services between the plan or issuer and the in-network providers, and allowed amounts for and bill charges from out-of-network providers. Coming in 2023, insurers must provide a price comparison tool allowing customers to estimate their cost-sharing responsibility for an item or service from a specific provider or providers for 500 items and services. That's going to expand out in 2024. Taking effect in 2024 is the price comparison tool that must be extended to all services. Now, there are some challenges in implementing this rule. There's pushback from insurance companies. We've seen this rule tied up in litigation for a while. Insurance companies say machine-readable files can be large and difficult to decipher, and overall people are concerned about compliance. Because we've seen the hospital price transparency rule, which is already in effect, have some slipping compliance from hospitals. There was a report that said as of June 2022, only 6% of hospitals are in full compliance with their own price transparency rules. CMS says, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, that they have enforcement mechanisms that hopefully can get rid of that compliance problem. They say they can require corrective action, and they can also charge a fee, a civil money penalty up to $100 per day for each violation, and for each individual affected by the violation can be handed down to the insurance company. You can read that final rule. We link to it in the description below.